For this draw friends, you should must select this number 43 because this number still not come in previous 34 draws. This number is very near to draw, so you should must select this number in your selection. And 26 and 27. These are also most important numbers. You should select at least one number from these two numbers, 26 or 27. My remaining powerful numbers, I have no numbers from 1 to 9. From 10 to 19, I have 5 numbers, 11, 12, 16, 17 and 19. From 20 to 29, 23, 25, 26 and 27. From 30 to 39, 31, 34, 38 and 39. In last from 40 to 49, I have 3 numbers. Number 1 is 43, then 45 and 47. Friends, these are my 16 powerful numbers which has good chances to come. You should select, according to my research, minimum 2 numbers between 30 to 39. These are my favorite numbers. You can also choose another numbers if you like. 2 numbers between 30 to 39. This number also not come in previous 29 draws. So this is also good number. If you are going to select this number, then this is the best number for this draw. Okay guys, this is my prediction for the Mahzooz upcoming draw, which is drawing on 15th April 2023. Wait for my next video. Good luck and goodbye.